Number 5. The Bella Electric Can Opener is an essential addition to any kitchen, offering convenience, efficiency, and reliability. Its sleek black design and durable stainless steel and plastic construction make it a stylish and long-lasting appliance. The one-size-fits-all design ensures that this can opener is suitable for a wide range of can sizes, making it versatile and practical for everyday use. The high-quality stainless steel blade effortlessly cuts through lids, providing smooth and clean edges without leaving behind any sharp or jagged edges. Designed by the reputable brand Bella, this electric can opener combines functionality with aesthetic appeal, making it a standout choice for consumers looking for a dependable kitchen tool. Its user-friendly operation and easy maintenance further add to its appeal, catering to the needs of a diverse range of users. In conclusion, the Bella Electric Can Opener is a reliable, durable, and stylish addition to any kitchen.